Hey, if you want to hide private space on the Pixel 9a, then first of all you will have to start by opening settings. Now you will have to scroll down and navigate into security and the privacy, and then you will have to scroll down again until you find private space. Next you will have to scroll down and select hide private space. So tap on it and then click on that switcher. So tap on it once. And now as you can see, to access the private space, we have to enter private space in the search bar from our apps list. So click that, we got it. And now when it is hidden, let's find out. Okay, now it disappeared when we lock that. It's not here anymore. So let's take a look. Private, yeah, there we go. So we can tap on it and simply enter our screen lock to open it. And now if you want to get rid of it, just lock it out.